So, some of you guys have been following me for quite a while. I'm going to test you. What is different on my face right now? I think it's pretty obvious I have contacts in right now. They are coloured blue contacts. It's not serious, guys. It's just for a little bit of fun. I am trying out these amazing contacts from this company called Iris Beauty. Anyway, I just wanted to like try them, obviously. I wanted to try them, see how they are. They're really cool. Blue is not my color. I don't think blue eyes suit me at all, but I just wanted to let you know I'm wearing contacts. If you think I look crazy or weird, that is why, because I'm wearing contacts. And like I said, it's just fun. Don't take it seriously. I'm not changing my eye color. I actually love my eye color. So just a bit of fun. I am so freaking excited to film this video. A lot of you guys will know if you've followed me for a while that I love op shopping. I love thrift stores. I know it's very mainstream now, like it seems to be like a lot of people shop in thrift stores, a lot of people shop in op shops. I obviously am not like the first person to do it, but I've done it for years now. Like I've done it since I was about 13 years old. I've been op shopping. So it's kind of something that I've done for a very long time. All of my clothes in my wardrobe, besides maybe like 4 or 5 items, are from an op shop, which is pretty crazy that my entire wardrobe of clothes is from the op shop. Like that's kind of weird, but yeah, I just love it so much. There's something really special about going into an op shop and finding something that's one-off, because it's like a hidden treasure, I guess you could call it. So I'm so excited to show you guys a haul from the op shop. I'm so excited. I haven't been in for a while, so I definitely made up for a little bit of lost time. First thing that I'm going to talk about is the top that I am wearing. I love this top so much. I think it's very much me. I love like Oriental, Asian kind of vibe. I love that sort of stuff. I don't want this video to be too long because there's quite a lot of things here. So yeah, please follow me on Instagram if you'd like to. It is at demi.rawling. I think there was something else I wanted to say. This is the most annoying thing. Like I never write down anything that I want to talk about or like say, but I should, because there was something that I wanted to talk about. I don't know. Oh, I did actually just reach 11,000 subscribers, like 11,300 when I'm filming this, so that blows my mind. That went up so quickly and I'm really grateful. So that wasn't what I was going to say. There was something else, but maybe I'll think about it when I'm doing the video. All right, let's get into this. Okay, so I'm going to start out with tops because it just makes a little bit more sense in my head. The first top that I got is this beautiful like corset looking top. I hope that you guys can see how cool this is. It's obviously all got like that kind of like boned ribbing in it. I absolutely love tops like this, but no shade, it's kind of hard to find a top in this style that's not see-through these days, because everyone seems to love these sort of like brassiere sort of tops, but like see-through, and I'm not about that. I'm not about showing my nips. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I'm just not, that's just not my vibe. But I do really love this top. I love the style. I love how it kind of fits into the body. It's very sexy, but it's also very classy. So very excited to wear this top. Yeah, it's just beautiful. I feel like I'm showing it in the most awkward angles, but you guys can see, you guys get the vibe. The next top that I've got here is kind of similar to the one that I've got on. Similar vibe, if you know what I'm saying. So this one was actually a little bit big for me, but you can see that what I mean, it's a bit of a similar vibe to the top that I have on. It's like a see-through mesh kind of thing. I know I just said I don't like see-through, but I would be wearing a bra with this, obviously. And I love, this one feels so soft, like the material is amazing. And it just has like a bunch of different like models and like faces and different like magazines on the actual top, on the print, which I love. I'm actually going to move back a bit because I feel like you can't really see these tops properly. So I do really love this one. Like I said, it's a little bit big for me, but it's still beautiful and I will still wear it. So I love that one. I cannot wait to wear it with like a nice beautiful like high-waisted skirt. Okay, so the next top that I got is this, and I hope that you can kind of see what this looks like. And this is definitely a top that looks a shit ton better on. Like off, this looks kind of weird, and if I looked at it, I would think that it was cool, but I wouldn't be too sure about it. But once I tried it on, I was like, hell yes. Hell yes. I love this top. I feel like this would look really cool with like high-waisted boots and a skirt again. It's just a really cool top. I don't even know what I would wear this with yet, but I think that it is awesome and I love it. It actually says Moulin Rouge. I absolutely love this top, and I hope that you guys are going to be able to get a better idea of my style from watching these sort of videos, because I feel like on my Instagram page, I know this is really ironic, but I'm not big on taking photos of myself. Like I'm kind of a bit awkward when it comes to like asking someone to take a photo of me. My mum does, but I don't like asking her because I'm pretty fussy with photos, so I feel like it would just take a lot of time and I don't want to waste her time. So for me, I know it's kind of ironic, but I don't usually take that many photos. So when I wear an outfit, I won't take a photo of it. This is getting really rambly, but basically what I mean is that my Instagram doesn't really reflect my style, and I would like it to. I really want to improve that this year. I really want to post more on Instagram, more about my style, more about me, because yeah, I feel like you guys don't really know my style. You guys only see my head, so it's kind of a bit awkward and a bit hard for me to show you. But yeah, hopefully by showing you guys these hauls and my outfits, you may be able to get a better idea of what my style is, I hope. The next top that I got is kind of just more of a basic kind of top, but I love it, and I love wearing these sort of tops clubbing. This one is really cool, but it's one of those tops that looks so much better on. It's very flattering, very kind of sexy, but in a more classy way. I really like these sort of tops, but I only usually wear these sort of things like going out clubbing with some hoops like I've got on. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear that one as well. I am so excited about the dresses. I am in love with every single one of these dresses. So let's start out with should I go best to worst or worst to best? I don't play favorites, but I definitely have like 2 to 3 favorites here. Okay, so the first dress is this one right here. It's very hard to show. I hope you can see the style on the top. Obviously you're going to be seeing me wearing them, so it doesn't really matter, but this dress is very beautiful, really classy looking dress. I feel like this would look incredible with a pair of like knee-high boots. Oh, I'm dying. Or like black tights as well. I love wearing stuff like this. It's super classy, hair in a low bun, thigh-high boots, super sexy but also very classy. I love necklines like this. I think that looks very Andy Sachs, Never Wears Prada, or like, I just love it. And this one was actually very short. Like, I definitely have to be careful with this dress because it was pretty short. I feel like I say this with everything, but they all look better on. You just have to see them on a body to be able to appreciate them, in my opinion. So I also love the color of this, just a beautiful dress. So that is the first dress that I got. Now the second one, oh, which one should I go for? Okay, this dress looks hideous, just showing it to you guys, but wait till you see it on. It is the most stunning. Oh my god, I die for this dress. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. I usually hate high necklines like this that kind of like cut off right here. This is an exception. This dress is stunning. When I was trying it on in the op shop, like when I was in the change rooms and I tried it on, I immediately thought to my wardrobe. Do you guys ever do this? Like you think to your wardrobe of what you could pair it with, and it turns into like magic in your head. So I definitely thought, you guys will see in the outfit thing, I paired it with like this coat and like a bag and shoes, and it completed the look and it just looked absolutely phenomenal. So I love this dress, and for some reason this feels very expensive. Like, I don't know how I can tell, but I can just feel something about this dress that it feels very expensive. I don't know what brand it is. There's no label on it. For all I know, it could be a schoolgirl dress, but it's definitely not. Like this dress, the fabric, the way it's made, it feels very expensive in my opinion. So yes, I love it, and I am so excited to wear this one. Like, I'm very excited to wear this. I definitely think this is like a dress that I would wear to like meetings or something like really kind of serious, you know, like sophisticated, like that sort of thing. This dress is perfect. Let's move on to a clubbing dress, or like a sexy night out dress. I probably wouldn't wear this one clubbing actually, because when I go clubbing, I get down. I freaking get down, guys. Anyone that knows me knows that I go in on the dance floor, so a dress like this really isn't appropriate for me. Are you serious? Are you looking at this? For some reason, this reminded me of like Versace, Versace. I actually googled the name of this dress, and it's one of those like Instagram girl dress companies. I saw like Reezy wearing one of these brand dresses, so it's one of those, but I got mine for $8. How about you? So yeah, it looks freaking bomb on, and I don't actually own any dresses like this, those like really tight, sleek, body, sexual kind of dresses, like, just don't listen to me. Like I said, I don't actually own one of these dresses, so I'm really happy to have one of these in my collection, and this one is gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna wear this one with a pair of stilettos, hair in a low bun, fringe out, just looking real classy but really sexy at the same time. So excited to wear this one. I just love it. Now, hold onto your seats, guys. Hold on to your seats. I'm being so extra right now. I'm so sorry, but I am so passionate about clothing and fashion. As you can see, I'm very, like, it gets me. It's another thing in my life that gets me going. Like, fashion, clothes, shoes, like, they just get me so everything. Like, when I was younger, I definitely wanted to be like a fashion designer, in fashion, some sort of thing. I actually cannot believe that I found this dress in the op shop, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. If you guys know the brand Camilla and Mark, you'll know that that brand is so expensive. Like, I could never just go onto their website and buy a dress or an item from their website, because they're hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. And I found one of their dresses in the op shop. I didn't even look at the label. I looked at the dress first and I was like, oh my god, that is absolutely stunning and beautiful. And I like felt the material of it. You guys are like, just fucking show me the dress. I felt the material of it and I was like, this feels so expensive. I pulled it out and I looked at the dress and I was like, oh my god, that is stunning. I fell in love with the dress. And then I looked at the label and I was like, holy shit. Like, I went into the change room with all of my clothes, tried this dress on, and I fell madly in love with it. I've actually already planned to wear this dress for my birthday. Whatever I'm doing for my birthday, I'm wearing this dress. You guys are just like, shut up and show us a dress. Sure thing, right now. So, this dress is like a boob tube kind of thing going on. It has this amazing, you'll see like this amazing like corset kind of lining inside. The favorite thing about the dress is the bottom. This dress has the most stunning, just like avant-garde bottom to it. The material is just to die for. Like, you know when you feel something, it just feels so high quality. This just feels unreal. I actually looked at like the pricing of what like a dress like this would cost. Not that I give a crap about like money and cost and all that sort of stuff, but this would have been about like, I would say $700-800, possibly even more than that. And I got it for $10. I got this dress for $10 at the op shop and I just fell in love with it, especially on, this is stunning. This is what I'm gonna wear for my birthday with my hair in a low bun. I keep saying low bun, I don't know why, but I would definitely wear my hair in a low bun with this. I have a yellow jacket that I was gonna put with it. Like, I just freaking love it, and I am so grateful that I found this in the op shop for $10. Just wrapped up this video and looked on the floor and realized that I had 2 extra items. So I need to quickly include them. I have 2 extra dresses just to quickly throw in. I'm just gonna do it really fast. The first one is this dress. This is actually a vintage brand, I'm pretty sure. It's a little bit big for me on the top. I'm thinking of actually taking in the straps because it's beautiful. It fits really nicely, but like I said, it's a little bit big around the top, especially because I do not have big boobs. So it's kind of hard to fit into dresses like this if they have like a bigger chest area. But it's a beautiful dress and it's very, I feel like this dress could be replicated very easily with the fashion that's out right now. This pattern is around. I see a lot of dresses that kind of look like this, so yeah, it could be easily replicated, but this is actually a vintage brand. But I love the dress and I cannot wait to wear it. And the other dress that I got is another one of my favorite items. This is so cool. It has like stars all over it or something, and it is see-through, but it's not like a see-through where you can literally see everything. It's like that classy kind of see-through where you can only see just like a little, you know, dazzle of your skin going on there. But yeah, I totally love this dress. This is probably one of my favorite items again of the day, but it's a beautiful dress and it comes like below the knee. I like the length of it actually because I do like longer dresses, so this one was beautiful. I've next got 2 pairs of bottoms. Let's just talk about the first one. I am in love. I know I keep saying that, but some of the items just kind of stand out more than the others, and these shorts, these are like a short skirt sort of situation going on, and they are just to die for. These are so flattering on me, and I'm kind of a bit fussy when it comes to like short things, like short bottoms or short like skirts or short like shorts. I'm very kind of fussy with what I wear. Like I hardly own any kind of things like this, like shorts. I hardly own any because, like I said, I'm very fussy when it comes to that sort of thing. But these are just to die for. They are the perfect length. They're the perfect look. I love that they look like a skirt, but they're actually shorts. For me personally, when I look at something, I know I'm not saying I know, I'm not saying I'm a fashion designer, but I can kind of tell when something is cheap or when something is expensive. I think it's pretty easy to tell, and these definitely feel very high quality. So I don't know where they're from or what they are, but they feel high quality to me. So love these. I'm actually gonna wear them with this top on the weekend. Like I had a little outfit planned. And the other bottoms that I got is kind of a little bit more basic. Like you could find this at Kookai or all those kind of online Instagram websites. Like this one's a little bit more basic. It's just like a long white skirt, but this one feels really nice quality to me, and it fits me like a glove. Like when you go to the op shop, chances are you, in my opinion, take more with you to the change rooms than you expect. Like just take a lot of shit to the change rooms, because for me, if I pick about 30 things and take them into try, probably about 10 to 12 of the items will look amazing on me. Like out of 30, 10 to 12 will look good. Like in my opinion, it kind of just works out like that. Like, cause the op shop, I found the most incredible stuff in there before that I almost shed a tear, because I'll try it on, it's so incredible, and it's just way too small, or it won't even go on my leg, or it won't even go over my head. Like it's very frustrating like that, but you know, that's just the way that it is. So when I tried this on, it fit me like a freaking glove, and it looked absolutely stunning. It has a beautiful slit in the skirt on the side here. Actually, it just has one slit on the side. I'm a really big fan of like long skirts. I think that they look so classy and elegant and sexy and just really nice. So I loved this skirt, and I cannot wait to wear it. I really want to own, like, I don't know if you guys know any like online shops. I would buy these full price. I want like flared white pants. Like I want like white pants that flare at the knee, because I don't have any white pants and I really want some. So if you guys know any, let a girl know, because I really want some. Finally, to wrap up this haul, I have two jacket situations going on. The first one I'm going to talk about is probably my favorite, I think. It's a really cool kind of weird jacket. It's got all these kind of weird sort of, you can see what it looks like, guys, you can see. It's got like a weird pattern on the little cuff and the front, and then the back is just plain black. So I thought it was a pretty sick jacket. You guys can kind of get an idea of my style now. It's very different. Like some days I look like a classy bitch who shops at Hermes, and other days I look like I shop at some sort of random hippie punk rock place. I don't know. So my style is all over. Like I love what I love. That's my style. I love what I love. That I have no style. It's just what I love. You know how some people kind of stick to a certain style? Either they look like maybe a expensive mom, or they look like a Coachella girl. I don't really know. Or like really urban or something like that. Or like streetwear. Mine is like everywhere. Like I love whatever I love. So I loved this jacket, and I wore it the other day. Actually, it looked really sick with like ripped jeans and these little like wedgie things. It was really cool. The other jacket that I got, I'm actually gonna say this one's probably my favorite out of the two jackets. I wore this and it was on my Instagram. I love it so much. It is beautiful. It reminds me of when I was little. I used to own a jacket like this. Oh, it smells like perfume. I love this jacket so much, and it's gonna be perfect for the weather that I'm in right now. I wore it the other day, like I said, to breakfast, and it was so warm and looks so beautiful with the outfit. I definitely recommend going into an op shop at least once in your life, just to kind of see, because honestly, you can see how much stuff that I can find. I know for some people it's quite overwhelming, but I've been doing it for a really long time now, and I love it. Every time I go in there, there's something so magical about going into an op shop and just like looking for hidden gems. Like that's what I do, and I just love it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this massive thrift haul. Please follow me on Instagram if you'd like to. It is at demi.rawling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.